what are some takeaways at least that you can, share to our viewers, especially if they are aiming for becoming a top-notcher and then, they're gonna be moving into the workforce? Yung mabigay mo sa kanila.
Ang masasabi ko, if you are aiming for top-notcher position, know that there is pros and cons. The pros is, maganda sa pandinig eh. It's because it's one of your life's achievements, tama? But the cons about that is, kaya mo bang panindigan ang pagiging top-notcher mo? The key takeaway here is, don't stop at being a top-notcher sa board exam. You can always be more in your life. Kung sasabihin nyo sa akin kung ano yung ginagawa ko ngayon sa life ko, I'm actually very confused. It's because I'm a CEO at my agency, I'm an insurance agent, I'm a real estate agent. Lahat ng madami. Kaya nga multi-potential. And most of us, mga millennials and Gen Zs, are multi-potential. When you say multi-potential, kaya natin mag-excel in different fields dahil limitless tayo eh. The only thing that holds us back to actually achieving our maximum potential is our baggages talaga. It always goes back to our baggages. And once na ma-release nyo yan, you will be able to discover kung sino ka and ano yung purpose mo dito sa world.